We will discuss accountancy, our subject name, accountancy and financial management. It is a paper 4. In semester 3rd, we discussed the accountancy and financial management paper 3rd. We studied. Now we are going to learn accountancy and financial management paper 4. And this paper 4 is very important for exam point of view, and it is one of the important subject in our syllab in our this particular scenario. Why it is important? Because this semester you have to study two subjects of the accountancy and financial management paper 4, and one more subject is there which is teach by Gaikwad madam, that is auditing. So these particular subjects are very important for next year whenever you will go semester 5 and 6. That time you have again two accountancy subjects, three accountancy subjects are there, and in semester 5 again in semester 6 three accountancy subjects are there. So it is very important to study the basic background of our third year study. It means if you study in semester 3rd and 4th, it will be helpful for semester 5 and semester 6. It is very important for our study purpose. We should study accountants. Now, if you see that, friends, in our accountancy and financial management, there are various kinds of modules are there. Modules means chapters. We will study the first chapter module, that is Introduction to Company Accounts. Second module is there, Issue of Debentures. Third, Redemption of Preference Shares. Fourth module, Redemption of Debentures. And fifth module, that is Profit Prior to Incorporation. These are the 5 modules are there in our semester 4, and we have to study one by one all 5 modules. Basically, this module number 2, 3, 4, 5, these four modules, they can ask the practical problems and theoretical questions also, and objective questions also they can ask. One thing you have to keep in mind, sometimes if the our pandemic, this particular COVID-19 pandemic, if they control, so they can conduct physical form test. That time 100-mark test they can conduct, and under this particular test we can ask practical problems, objectives, and theoretical problem theory also. These things you should keep in mind. Not only we will ask the objectives, but also we can ask practical problem also, theory problem also. So we should know about everything. We should know about the practical, theory, and objectives also. Some students focus on only objectives, but it is not good study. Only studying the objective, it means your study entire accounting. It's not possible. So it is not a good kind of study. Only studying the objectives. We should study practical part, theoretical part, and objective also. So model number 2, 3, 4, 5 are practical based models. Model number one belonging to theoretical part, and we will discuss all these things one by one. Now, basically, students are aware about the objectives, but our normal paper pattern, we should know that, and that you should understand first, because nowadays we are conducting only objective test. So don't think the objective will come. Sometimes they can arrange the practical problem also. Now, question paper pattern we should know about. It is decided by Mumbai University. Maximum marks 100. They will conduct 3-hour test. Questions to be set 5. All questions are compulsory, carrying 20 marks each. These are paper pattern. Generally, many people are aware about the paper pattern, but you should know about the paper pattern. Uh, Question number one, objectives questions, and question number five, theory questions, and question number two, three, and four, practical questions with internal options. We should know about the paper pattern also. It is very important about our study. They can ask the total two, question number two, three, and four. Total 6 questions they can ask under this practical. So we should know about the practical problems also. In question number five also, theory questions, short note. They will ask 6 short notes. You have to write 4 short notes. You should know about the short notes. You should know about the big questions, theory questions, and objective also. 20 marks objectives. Sometimes multiple choice, true or false, match the columns, and fill in the blanks. I will not give the guarantee about the next test will they will conduct online. But if it is this pandemic is under control, so they will conduct the exam in our college also. So we should prepare ourselves by this pattern. Don't study. We are not studying only objective. We will study. It is not a good kind of study. It is affected to your career also. Now, friends, we will discuss about our we will discuss about our models. In that, there are total 5 models are there. So we will discuss one by one all 5 models. Okay, now our first we will discuss model number 5, that is profit prior to incorporate. Profit prior to incorporation, and it is one of the important model in our syllabus. Profit prior to incorporation. Profit prior to incorporation. It is one of the important model that we are going to learn today. Basically, we know about the partnership firm. We know about the partnership firm. Partnership firm run by partners, and partners earn the profit. It is distributed among the partners as per their profit sharing ratio. Now, sometime what happened? Suppose partnership firm is there. If it is this partnership firm, this particular partnership firm, if it is taken over, if it is taken over by company, if it is taken over by company, partnership firm taken over by company. So this particular partnership firm taken over means purchased by the company. So such partnership firm lost their business as a firm, as a firm, and such partnership firm follow the rules of company act. See that partnership firm taken over by company. The partnership firm lost their business as a partnership firm, and partnership firm follow the rules of the company. Now, here in profit prior to incorporation, we will discuss the three dates. What are the three dates? So we will write here date of take over of business, date of take over of business. The next is date of incorporation of business, date of incorporation of business, and third date, that is date of year end. You see that, friends, whenever we will talk about the profit prior to incorporation, for that purpose we should know about the three dates. We should know about the three dates. That is date of takeover of the business, then date of incorporation, and date of year end, when this particular company ended. Suppose XYZ company, XYZ XYZ partnership firm take over take over by MMT TKT company. TKT company. See the question. See the example. XYZ partnership firm take over by TKT company. Is it means TKT company purchase XYZ partnership firm. When they purchase, when they take over the XYZ partnership firm, suppose it, if they take over on 1st April 2020, if they take over the XYZ partnership firm 1st April 2020, then this particular XYZ partnership firm incorporated their business. XYZ partnership firm incorporated their business. Incorporated means register their business on 1st October 2020. XYZ partnership firm purchased by TKT company. The date of takeover of the business 1st April was there, and then after takeover of business, they incorporated the business, registered the business on 1st October 2020. And in our problem, they are provided the year end of business, that is 31st March 2021. 31st March 2021. Now, friends, we got the three dates: date of takeover of the business, date of incorporation, निर्मल रमेश पै कौन है? तू परत कधी येऊ नकोस, तुला मी हाकलून देतो आता. Now see friends, three dates are there: date of takeover of the business. TKT नावाची कंपनी आहे, त्या कंपनीने XYZ पार्टनरशिप फर्मला विकत घेतलं. When they take over the business on 1st April 2020, then TKT कंपनी रजिस्टर झाली. कधी झाली रजिस्टर्ड? कधी झाली? When they incorporate on 1st October 2020. Then year end 31st March 2020. So now friends, here we will consider the period. Now, friends, here we will consider the period of 1st April to period of 1st October. 1st April to 1st October. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. April, May, June, July, August, सप्टेंबर. डेट बिझनेस कधी विकत घेतलेला 1 एप्रिल. तो एप्रिल आणि डेट ऑफ इन्कॉर्पोरेशन कधी झालं 1 ऑक्टोबर. तो एप्रिल, मे, जून, जुलै, ऑगस्ट, सप्टेंबर. This particular period, up to September, this particular period is called as a pre-incorporation period. This particular period is called as a pre-incorporation period. Why it is called as a pre-incorporation period? Because date of takeover of the business to the date of incorporation, this whatever period is there, so it is considered as a pre-incorporation, pre-registration period. Then registration कधी झालं on 1st October 2020. The 1st October 2020 to year end 31st March 2020. This particular period is called as post incorporation period. Pre-incorporation period म्हणजे हा पिरियड एप्रिल टू सप्टेंबर and post incorporation period means ऑक्टोबर टू मार्च. हे आपण कसं डिसाईड केलं तर वेनेवर एक पार्टनरशिप फर्मला एका कंपनीने विकत घेतलं. समटाइम टेक ओव्हर ऑफ द बिझनेस, ॲब्झॉर्ब द बिझनेस. XYZ partnership firm absorbed by TKT company. XYZ partnership firm purchased by TKT company. XYZ partnership firm acquired by TKT company. म्हणजे TKT कंपनीने पार्टनरशिप फर्मला विकत घेतलं. विकत कधी घेतलं 1 एप्रिल. इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1 एप्रिल. And this particular partnership firm take incorporated on 1 October. ह्या पार्टनरशिप फर्मचं कंपनीने टेक ओव्हर केल्यानंतर ती कंपनी रजिस्टर झाली. कधी रजिस्टर झाली ऑन 1 October. The 1 April is a date of takeover of the business to the date of incorporation. This particular period is called as a pre-incorporation period. And date of incorporation to the date of year end. This particular period is called as a post incorporation period. Now, this particular period, April, May, June, July, August, September, this particular period, how many months are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 months. From post incorporation period, किती महिन्याचं आहे? How many months are there? Again, 6 months. If you count this, October, November, December, January, February, March. This 6 months period and this 6 months period. The pre-incorporation period किती महिन्याचा आहे? 6 महिने. And post-incorporation period also 6 months. Okay, so we will decide time ratio. We will decide it time ratio. Pre-incorporation period and post-incorporation period. Pre-incorporation period मध्ये किती महिने येतात? 6 महिने. And post-incorporation period मध्ये किती महिने येतात? 6 महिने. Again we have to divide 6 ones are 6 and 6 ones are 6. It means here time ratio is 1:1. Time ratio काय आपण कन्सिडर करणार? 1:1. तेच कळतं तुम्हाला टाइम रेशो आपण कसा काढला? सी दॅट आपण काय शिकतोय? प्रॉफिट प्रायर टू इनकॉर्पोरेशन. तर इनकॉर्पोरेशन होण्याच्या अगोदरचं प्रॉफिट आणि इनकॉर्पोरेशन झाल्यानंतरचं प्रॉफिट. इनकॉर्पोरेशनच्या अगोदर सच बिझनेस इज कॉल्ड एज अ पार्टनरशिप बिझनेस. जोपर्यंत तुम्ही रजिस्टर होत नाही ॲज अ कंपनी, वी कॅन से दॅट इट इज अवर पार्टनरशिप. And after registration, we can say that it is a company. So without registration, आपण त्या बिझनेसला पार्टनरशिप फर्मच बिझनेस म्हणणार. रजिस्ट्रेशन झाल्यानंतर कंपनी बिझनेस म्हणणार. तर this particular chapter, whenever we will study, we should know about the pre-incorporation period and post-incorporation period. Both the period we should know. And this particular period we have to find out time ratio. After finding the time ratio, then we have to find out profit before incorporation and profit after incorporation. Pre-incorporationचं प्रॉफिट जनरल रिझर्वला ट्रान्सफर करणार. Pre-incorporation profit will be transferred to general reserve. Pre-incorporation मध्ये लॉस झाला तर इट इज ट्रान्सफर टू गुडविल अकाउंट. Pre-incorporation profit will be transferred to general reserve account and pre-incorporation loss transferred to goodwill account. Post-incorporation profit, it is transferred as a net profit to the balance sheet liability side. Post-incorporation loss, it is a net loss. It is transferred to asset side. तर हे लक्षात ठेवा, आपल्याला प्रत्येक प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये डेट ऑफ इनकॉर्पोरेशन, डेट ऑफ टेक ओव्हर अँड इयर एंड डेट, हे 3 डेट्स समजल्या पाहिजे. वी शुड नो अबाउट, वी हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड अँड वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट, वी हॅव टू अलोकेटेड प्री अँड पोस्ट इनकॉर्पोरेशन पिरियड. आपण प्री इनकॉर्पोरेशन आणि पोस्ट इनकॉर्पोरेशन पिरियड अलोकेट करता आला पाहिजे आणि त्यावरून आपण टाइम रेशो फाइंड आउट केला पाहिजे. तर हे सर्व लक्षात ठेवा. तर प्री इनकॉर्पोरेशन म्हणजे काय? प्रॉफिट प्रायर टू इनकॉर्पोरेशन आपल्याला आपल्या चॅप्टरचं नाव आहे. अवर मॉड्यूल नेम इज देअर. प्रॉफिट प्रायर टू इनकॉर्पोरेशन. प्रॉफिट प्रायर टू इनकॉर्पोरेशनचा सिंपल मिनिंग आहे प्री इनकॉर्पोरेशन म्हणजे कंपनी पार्टनरशिप फर्म रजिस्टर होऊन कंपनी बनण्याच्या अगोदरचं प्रॉफिट. पार्टनरशिप फर्म रजिस्टर होऊन कंपनी बनण्याच्या अगोदरचं प्रॉफिट, दॅट इज प्री इनकॉर्पोरेशन प्रॉफिट. प्रॉफिट बिफोर द इनकॉर्पोरेशन, profit before the registration, it is called as a pre-incorporation profit. Profit after registration is a company profit. हे तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवा. हे सगळं जे मी तुम्हाला दिलंय ते तुम्ही तुमच्या वहीमध्ये लिहून काढा. मी हे लेक्चर रेकॉर्ड करतोय. रेकॉर्डेड लेक्चर परत यूट्यूबवर आपण पाठवू. ते परत लेक्चर बघा. काय काय डिटेल मी सांगितलंय, कसं फाइंड आउट करायचं, प्री इनकॉर्पोरेशन पोस्ट इनकॉर्पोरेशन प्रॉफिट, टाइम रेशो कसा फाइंड आउट करायचा, परत तुम्ही बघा आणि ते वहीमध्ये लिहून काढा. ह्याच्या नोट्स PDF फॉर्ममध्ये ह्याचे प्रॉब्लेम्स मी पुढच्या लेक्चरला मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली उद्याच मी PDF मध्ये देईल. हे बेसिक थिंग्स आहे दॅट यू हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड फर्स्ट. ओके फाईन. तर तुम्ही आता हे सगळं यूट्यूबवरती बघून लिहून काढा. त्यानंतरच आपण पुढे जाऊ. येस, डू यू हॅव एनी डाऊट? कोणाला काय डाऊट आहे तर तुम्ही विचारू शकता. येस, इज देअर एनी डाऊट? तर these are basic things that you have to understand first, then we will start the problem. बेसिक थिंग्स आपल्याला टोटल 5 चॅप्टर आहेत. 5 चॅप्टर पैकी शेवटचा चॅप्टर आपण स्टार्ट केलाय आणि तो आपण मॅक्झिमम स्टडी करू. त्याच्या प्रत्येकाच्या नोट्स मी देईल. कुणीही कुठलं पुस्तक विकत घेऊ नका. मी दिलेल्या नोट्स फॉलो करा आणि रेग्युलरली लेक्चर अटेंड करा. टायमावरती या ॲज पर टाइम टेबल. टाइम टेबल मी आज कालच तुमच्या ग्रुपवरती पाठवलं होतं. तेच टाइम टेबल तुम्ही फॉलो करा. टाइम टेबलनुसारच लेक्चर होतील. बाकी सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड असेल तरच काही प्रश्न विचारा. इतर काही ॲक्टिव्हिटीज करू नका. मध्येच तुमचा भाऊ काहीतरी रेगोट्या मारत होता, त्याला मी हाकलून दिलंय. तो परत येणार नाही. त्याला आपण कॉलेजमधून पण हाकलून देऊया, कारण खूप लोकांची गर्दी झाली आहे. ओके, डू यू हॅव एनी डाऊट? कोणा डाऊट आहे तर त्यांनी चॅट बॉक्समध्ये किंवा आपल्या व्हॉट्सअपच्या ग्रुपमध्ये मला काहीही सब्जेक्टच्या रिलेटेड डाऊट विचारू शकतात. ओके, तर तुमचा रिझल्ट मला वाटतं पुढच्या आठवड्यापर्यंत लागेल. तर आजचं लेक्चर इथे संपलं. तुम्ही यूट्यूब व्हिडिओ बघा आणि परत ते लेक्चर अटेंड करा.